Howdy guys, it's Liv here from Neighbourhood and welcome to our May HubSpot update. As per usual, we've got a bunch of exciting updates for you this month as HubSpot continues to revamp its platform to ensure you can better market, sell to and service your customers through 2021. But how will you know about them without taking the time to search and discover them for yourself? Well, that's where we come in. Let's run through each of the updates HubSpot made in May and how you can use them to better find, sell, and keep your people in the months ahead. Let's start with all the updates currently in public beta. First off, we've got on-call navigation. Users can now navigate between CRM records while on an active call. Wondering why this matters? Well, the real-time nature of calling means that there's often a need to understand context quickly. So now, while on a call, users may need to navigate between CRM records on the lookout for this additional context, making this a super helpful update. Something else currently in public beta is the skip if known option when importing data. This means that you can skip updating a property on a record if HubSpot already has a value for it. During the property mapping step of the import flow, customers can check a box labeled "Don't override existing value." And if HubSpot has a value for a property on a particular record, that property value won't be updated by the import. The third update is the ability to export audit results from the SEO recommendations tool. The export file includes all the same information that's available in the SEO tool, including the recommendation name, category, list of affected pages, and page level details. The final update currently in beta is the option to import knowledge base articles using a CSV file. We can't wait for these updates to go live across the board. Now let's move on to the latest and greatest in the CMS. First cab off the rank, we've got the highly requested and anticipated site tree editing. You can now create new pages, edit existing ones, and view how your site has been structured and laid out all in one. The site tree is built for rapid site management as you expand and add more pages. Next on our list, you can now make all content and custom modules on your website smart. Customize your page visitors' experiences as you like based on information in your CRM. Excitingly, the editing experience also got an upgrade, allowing you to modify and view your smart variations right inside the editor in real time. Also, HubSpot have added a slew of new SEO recommendations, 7 to be precise. The recommendations check for performance, accessibility, and user experience, ensuring you're keeping your site running faster, providing the best possible customer experience, and improving your Google ranking. Scan a new website or an existing one via the SEO audit tool to start it off today. Last up on the CMS front, the Pages Control Center now offers more granular control over content management in HubSpot. Filter the Pages dashboard by audience access, test status, and who last updated it, and more. As well, edit columns to quickly see what content exists in table view. Moving on now to the latest in the HubSpot CRM, HubSpot has updated deal automation so that you can put your sales process on autopilot. Deal automation triggers a workflow anytime a prospect or customer interacts with your content, website, and more, so you can just kick back and relax as deal automation moves your leads from one part of the customer journey to the next. Next up, we've got custom object settings pages. Admins will find a custom objects option in their settings after creating a custom object for their hub. Custom objects will have settings for each custom object the customer has created. These include managing properties, editing the new record creation form, and selecting the properties for display on an association card. Another update to have on your radar is the single record delete permissions. With the new permissions, you can better control who can access, manage, and delete your CRM records. Admins can now create delete permissions by record type and user, separately from edit permissions. Great, so that's all that's new from the CRM. Let's now move on to look at all of the updates for Sales Hub this month. Getting access to meetings just got a whole lot easier for you and your team. Users are no longer required to have their calendar connected to view the meetings library, edit meetings, or set up a booking page. Now for a workflow update that got us super excited. The new simple branching tool in workflows. Say goodbye to creating multiple if-then branches for the smallest of outcomes. With HubSpot's simple branching, you can now automatically configure multiple branches based on properties and the outcomes of previous actions. This type of branch can't be configured with and or criteria. Each simple branch can create up to 250 unique branches for a single property. Example uses include building a workflow that creates tasks, then delays contacts until the task is complete. A simple branch can then segment contacts by whether or not the task was completed, or even automatically creating a branch for each owner in a lead rotation workflow. If you're enjoying this video, be sure to subscribe and leave a like. And if you're on YouTube, make sure you hit that bell so you can stay up to date on all of our latest videos delivered every week to your inbox. Now, what about Service Hub? Well, there are 2 updates you should keep on your periphery. First off, HubSpot have improved the Conversations inbox to make finding and responding to service tickets faster. Sort between oldest and newest conversations, filter by ticket status as open or closed, search from a custom date range, and find conversations assigned to team members and bots so you can spend more time connecting with your customers. As well, be sure to check out the new Inbox Reply Editor, which has been redesigned for a seamless omni-channel experience. The new interface, expandable within your inbox and no longer a pop-up, helps you to respond to customers and clients faster. And that's my update for this month. I hope you enjoyed these updates and are excited as we are to start implementing them today. But as a reminder, if you ever need any extra help ensuring that you're making the most of your HubSpot investment, we're just a phone call away. If you need someone to tell you where you might be going wrong in HubSpot, what you could improve, or what you're not using to its maximum potential, sign up for a portal audit today. These are completely free, so there's no excuse not to. But for now, that's all from me. Happy HubSpotting.